Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a drawing machine. First, let's understand the fundamental components. You'll need a sturdy frame, two stepper motors for movement, and a mechanism to hold your drawing tool. The frame provides the structure, while the motors control the precise positioning of the pen. We'll explore how these elements work together to bring your artistic visions to life, creating intricate designs with mechanical precision. Now, let's assemble the mechanical parts. Securely mount your two stepper motors to the frame, one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. Attach timing belts to the motor pulleys and connect them to the moving carriages. These belts translate the motor's rotation into linear motion, allowing the drawing head to move across a two-dimensional plane. Ensure all moving parts glide smoothly for accurate drawings. Next, we'll tackle the electronics. Connect your stepper motor drivers to a microcontroller, such as an Arduino Uno. These drivers translate the microcontroller's signals into precise movements for the motors. Power the entire system with a stable power supply, often a 12-volt adapter. Finally, upload firmware that can interpret G-code, which are instructions for the machine's movements, enabling it to draw complex patterns. Finally, let's discuss the software and operation. Use a program to convert your vector images into G-code, which is the language your machine understands. Then, send this G-code to your drawing machine through a serial connection from your computer. Before drawing, calibrate the machine to ensure accurate scaling and to define the drawing area. With these steps, your drawing machine will be ready to create amazing artwork.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.